Excited to stop by another landscape. We completed this in 2017, about 3 years ago. Excelsior Springs Community Center. This is their center garden. They actually did some aluminum edging down in front. Mexican beach pebbles. Those are sold by the 50-pound bag. A little bit pricey, but perfect for a project like this. Excelsior Springs has been taking care of it and doing a fantastic job. Purple coneflower, black-eyed Susans, Zagreb coreopsis. There's some wine and roses, Begelia down in front, waterfall, Mexican beach pebbles, Carl Forster grasses. So very excited about the design, the landscape architects. This is Carl Forster here, fountain grass here that's getting ready to seed out. You'll see a seed head right in here just starting, and that'll be full of seed heads before long. But one of the things they did differently in this landscape is no bushes. So all these plants are terminal plants. They grow to a specific height. So we have the grasses down here, and you don't have to worry about shrub trimming them except one time a year. Black-eyed Susans, catmint. Also used a gray granite and then a natural stone benches. It's just neat, the architecture that they did in this design right here. The natural stone benches. We installed this in 2017 with extensive irrigation throughout all of this property. How can we zoom through quick enough to see everything here? It's just a fantastic design, and we've actually integrated a lot of the design into what we do nowadays, especially the grasses up against the foundation. I'm really fatigued with seeing shrubbery that gets too large, that's not maintained. Just love the upright texture variation, love the perennials, love the use of the different aggregates. So right here is a great example. Mulch, the granite, the turf grass, even the edging that they use. There's a edging that is very straight, and that's what they use, the aluminum edging, and it's actually buried, and it's just fantastic. So very excited about the project and appreciative to get to be a part of it this many years ago. Thanks so much.